What's up, Akash? Can you hear me? I have to make sure that the mic works fine. It should be working fine. Yep, perfect. Awesome. Mic is solid, good. Right now, you can't see my, this is the second screen I'm looking at right now. You can't see it right now. I'm looking to short zoom at this resistance level. It's coming, the resistance is coming from this 3-bar, this congestion area. And we're getting a little reversal candle on the hourly. It's hard to short though when it's above these moving averages, but look, we're turning. We're getting all these fades right here. So it looks kind of promising, to be honest. I can use this as my stop pretty easily. Yeah, Tesla's at my resistance as well. All these names are at my resistance. Actually, if you look at this too. Amazon's in my supply zone right here. So looks like it could be a decent setup, but I already took a lot of trades this morning. I'm in AMD short right now. Yeah, if Zoom gets under this opening level, I'll definitely take it short. QQQ is definitely, the Nasdaq's going rejecto mode. Oh man, there's so many names that I want to short that are right at, like, they're still above the moving averages. I might have to add to AMD here actually, because it's confirming what I thought was going to happen. Yeah, let's add. Yeah, that's a big drop. Come on. That's a wide fill, but that's okay. It filled me at 79. I just have a thesis, which is that this is just, we're gonna have a deeper pullback. Look at Zoom. Alright, let's see what I can do here. September 18. To be honest, I might have to wait for it to bounce off this because I kind of missed it. I should have shorted up here. Yeah, the AMD bear flag on the hourly is working out right now. Oh, that's not it. Look at this. We should see it, like, if it comes down in this area, especially below 80, I'll have to dig my heel in to see a deeper one to 76. Yeah, there's a little bounce right here on the 200 for these names. They're not going to give up that easily. If you're in a name, want to share it, go ahead and share it. I was in Penn this morning. I sold right around here from yesterday. It was a good trade. It was like 200%, I think, something like that. AMD's rolling over. All right, let's see what I can do here with Zoom. It hasn't. AMD is now low of day. Yeah, Netflix might actually tank. Let's see where it is. If we get below the, where's the, we need to get below the 50 moving average, which is right there, 293-ish. Man, I really am sad I didn't take this Zoom thing up here. And I'm also sad that I let go of some of my AMD puts at the top of the bounce. AMD's looking bear flaggy, guys. What am I in right now? Oh, that's what I'm in. I'm just waiting for any type of bounce on this to go short. Tesla's also reversing on my pivot. You know, Amazon as well. Interesting. If Amazon gets below, it really needs, it's kind of mashed between these moving averages right now. Not the most ideal setup. I flip through all my time frames when I'm looking to see where the room is. Okay, we're getting a little bit of bounce here. Okay, I'll look at Don. Well, it should bounce here, and it is. It's a little bit of double top right now, but yeah, there's like a big, oh, you know what? This is why I can't see it. Let's extend this to the right. I do this so often. I don't extend my zones. Look at that. When you extend it, you can actually see it now. This area has been congestion for a long time. Alright. Why does it keep doing that? Alright, ZM is bouncing here, and we'll see what we can do with this. Yeah, I think so too. 280. It's just a 200 moving average bounce. It's gonna happen. We're below my. I'm gonna have a good stop right here on this thing. I might be able to take a pretty good down into this 360 area. That's a pretty wide range. That's why I like trading this. It's a wide range. I mean, we're gonna test it down here at least one more time, but all right. So the 18s, 360s are going for the bid ask spread is so wide. Maybe I should go for the 350s. Yeah, that's true. You know, Friday might chop around as well. Who knows? I mean, the Nasdaq's been up what? 2 days in a row now. And how much we've retraced?
The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas and on the ships at sea.
Yeah, I mean, we're basically in the middle of a two-legged pullback right now. We hit this supply zone right here, but we kind of need to roll over to enter some longer dated puts. I'm trying to be more patient today. I haven't been as patient this week, and it's really messed me up sometimes. So I'm just looking for better entries. Looking to buy against resistance levels instead of away from them. So like, you know, here to here, it's already a 10-point drop, but can't play every single one. Okay, Amazon looks interesting short too. Oh man, there's too many names. I don't want to go too heavy short right now because it's easy to trap someone with that. Then I'll have to reduce later. We're just kind of bouncing around here. There's no need to answer anything. Creating an alert. See if we can, just in case something happens, something crazy happens. You can see this really tight supply zone right here. You know, this work bounce right here, oh man, that's such a bear flag. Like this bounce right here, it looks so ugly for work. Like, I don't really have too many lines on here, but let's just pull back right here. Yeah, so bear flag would probably take it down into this base area around 22.5. Not the worst play. I mean, if we get any market weakness, it's going down. Hey, let's just set an alert for down here. Well, where would it break? Somewhere like right in here, 25.2. Something like that. Asking is someone this, what's your mentality when you were working to get to the 25k minimum for your accounts? Oh, wait, hold on. After this little thing right here. Amazon is rolling over. Tesla's rolling over. All right, I'm gonna try to get in here. And we're going to try to go for a break below the bid-ask spread is so wide. It's so wide on these names. Sorry if I'm breathing hard.
Howdy, stranger.
The thing with Zoom is it has such a wide range. Same with Amazon right now and Tesla. Okay, I entered the put, if you saw. I entered the 365 and the 370. If we can get below, if we can get basically stay below this line right here, if you see this, like, I don't want to draw it, but it's right here, basically 400. It's going to be a brilliant short setup for later. When I was trying, I honestly didn't play my account size too much other than my position sizing, because I trade on a Amazon just dropped $30. Wow. the premium on these puts are spiking right now. I would bet my bottom dollar that UVXY is going up right now. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that.
You're so,
You know what that
It's
means?
crazy.
Party might be over. The party might be over. We'll see. We'll see how it ends. Can't talk too soon. But these candles are gonna look really ugly if they close below the open today. Like wow, the gap up into the, yeah, this is gonna look ugly for some names. Okay, so I'm up 8% on this put. The question that I asked myself though with ZM is, why am I shorting one of the stronger names, aka one of the names above the 9-day moving average? There's a lot more names I could be shorting. I picked it because of the, like, there's some other names that, like Nvidia, that, I mean, this 500 level was pretty hard to move on the way up. Wow, we're definitely moving down here. AMD is nice. Nice. Look, Netflix is coming back into that 494 area. This is going to be a dirty candle right here. If we can't hold, might be a good actually I might take this one short too if we can't hold this. You know, I don't know if we will, but look at this turn, the selling. Yeah, Zoom is below its 200 now. AMD is now below the bear flag break mark, if you saw that. Zoom is breaking low of day here almost. Hello. Wow. Amazon had a almost 100-point drop right there. Alright, we're gonna see some bounce right here because we're touching the demand area. Oh, so what I was saying was my mentality. I was trading in a cash account. I still am. So it makes things a lot easier mentally because I don't have to worry about being margined out or oversizing. I mean, I still have position sizing things to worry about. But to be honest, I because the 25k mark really only matters for margin, it's not really a mental barrier for me. I'm not planning on converting to margin anytime soon. I don't need to because I trade options. If I was trading common shares, I would. But okay, let's just take the small win for now. I made 200 bucks on that. I'm not sure we'll see a deeper bounce or a deeper move tonight. Like, we just basically all we want is for the candle to close below the open today, and it'll be good. So you see that my style is I just try to capture smaller moves. That one was not a higher percentage gain, but it was a high percentage play because I had actually waited for that entry, as I was talking about earlier. If I had entered here and waited, I would have it probably would have, let's see, it would have made me about $10, but instead I was able to make 200 off of that. Yeah, the bounce here is really strong on some of these names, and I don't want to get caught like I did yesterday, hoping that we continue on the downward trajectory. Things tend not to move in one line. Yeah, Netflix is gonna bounce on its this support right here. Man. Okay, let me just go through some names really quick because Boeing with the fakiest name, man. So I had a loss in Boeing yesterday because right here I had puts from the day before and I sold here, but even though the stock was down 1%, the options hadn't moved. It was crazy. And then so I sold here and then I rolled them down to 155 or 150, and then I was holding the entire way because I wasn't planning on selling them. But I should have rolled it to next week instead of this week, which was my mistake. RDFN. Okay. Yep, something happened there, but I can't really play it. I can't play the name. So on this OTRK name, it was up 14% yesterday on no news. Now it's down 6%. You kind of want to catch these names after they break support and they try to bounce. And right now, none of the names have broken support. They're still in a range. It's a wider range now. But nothing has really happened in terms of a range break. That would have been an interesting swing once it crossed this line support. So if any of you guys follow Etsy with me, this is what I was saying. This like zone right here, I covered this in my video. This 118, 117 zone, it's basically absorbing every single buyer right now and creating a bear flag that will probably take it down into this 100 area if we have any more market weakness. Kind of unfortunate because I like the name, but like this daily chart. Oh, you know what? You know whose daily chart I was looking at that looked kind of ugly? This one. Look at this. Beautiful bear flag alert. Alright, so let's try to see if we can get 946. I see. Yeah, the bounce on those names is incredible. Oh, the title of my stream is wrong, apparently. Oops. How do I fix that right now? Yeah, honestly, I'm not sure I can fix that. Oh, here it is. Live stream. Day trading. Okay, I got it. Yeah, I was watching lately. Since I can't watch all these names, so I just have to put alerts on them. I think you know, for Lulu, I think it was in the longer term a pretty strong reaction. Okay, so you see this bounce on QQQ? Sorry. This is interesting. So right here, you see how it fell through support and now it's retracing? This is an interesting short opportunity. And we can target this area right here, 275. because this 3 bar right here, that's a very strong resistance. Even if we get up into the 280 mark like it is right now, we have multiple. We just have to see it start to roll over, and it'll be a good opportunity. Yeah, Labor Week. This has been a struggle bus week for me. I've been not trading my best. I'm hoping that by talking it out, you know, on stream, maybe it'll help me. Who knows? I'm gonna take the 275s for this week if we start to roll over on this. It looks like it could. We had a full gap fill earlier, and now we're below this. This is a huge supply zone. I don't want to. I could draw it. I mean, like just like that. It's not a huge supply zone. I just mean that it's a nice little selling cap. You know what? I'm just gonna take it and. I'll use the upper band as my stop. It's kind of wide, but I'm gonna wait to see what this candle does. We'll see. I think I like it. We'll see. Can we fill? Oh my goodness, it didn't fill. These QQQ puts move fast, like fast, just as fast as some other names that I watch. Yeah, that's a rejection candle right there. You see that little doji right there? Let's see if I can get this one filled too. Alright, so my target is actually pretty low. Like, I'm gonna try to get it down in here, 275. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Am I the most relatable because I talk about how I've been losing? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Come on, give me some follow through now. I put a trigger, what did I put a trigger on? Shop? Okay, let's turn to shop. Oops. Let's turn to shop on our side chart. Yeah. I mean, like, some of the price action on these names the last few days, I don't have to watch this all the time. It's not a... Dude, this doesn't look great either. There's literally no bounce in Apple. I can't believe I didn't watch this. Now we're back below the 21 day. The price action on some, like, look at this. Okay. So on this day, we're far extended after a huge gap up. And then we gap up again. Like, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 gap ups in a row, and then we take it all the way back down to the 9 day. That's rough. And then we gap down. Oh, and then we bounce and we gap all the way down below where we closed the day before. Like, this candle combination right here, it's meant to just fuck everyone up. That's its only point. Okay, QQQ bounced actually, because I can tell because Apple's bouncing right here too. Yep. This candle is actually a little bit of a reversal candle in the downtrend. Yeah, I should just be watching two, to be honest. Okay, so I'm down, let's see. I'm down around $100 on this trade right now. But I still have this nice little... I don't like this candle right here. That's another reversal, like this reversal and reversal. We're having these bounces off this 200 moving average. I'm gonna hold on to it though, because it's still this 3-bar candle combination right here. It's still a bar of sellers that is hard to work through. What's up, Eric? How's the? I was say, how's the music level? Is it making? I have to pick non-copyrighted music to stream because if I don't, they're gonna turn off the stream. Send you the link to the. Okay, I'll put it in the thing. I think it's a mix. How do I do this? Why? Okay, here's the link to the mix that I'm using. It's good to play, sometimes I play like rap music when I'm trading and I realize that I actually go too hard when I do that. Like I think it would be interesting to do some sort of like study on my position sizing versus the different types of music that I'm listening to. Yeah, it'll get I don't have there's no warning right now because this is not copyrighted music. Mellow vibe, yes. Mellow vibes, mellow mind. Man, I don't like these candles. The problem with these kind of trades is you can keep going up, you can keep finding supply, and the buyers can keep pushing it up. Thanks, Ahmed and Charlie. I'm glad you like the music. It's supposed to be soothing. Need some like ginseng tea. I got my coffee right here. I'm gonna take a sip. One sec. Where am I from? I'm from the Bay Area, San Francisco. But right now I live in Austin, Texas. Oh, what's up, Alex? Yeah, you see these bars right here? These are congestion area bars. It's gonna be kind of hard for the price to get above, and if the price doesn't get back above the open, which is this 280.66 line, I think we're below the open from yesterday, or below the close from yesterday. Let me check on that. No, we're not. Oh, we closed pretty low yesterday. I forgot. These 1, 2, 3, these bars right here. If you watched my video, these are the types of resistance candle combinations that I look for when I'm taking something short. It's pretty these 3 bars right here, it's pretty solid short setup. Okay, it looks like we're moving. Yeah, nice. Okay, so I'm back to even on my trade. Oh, my Twitter. Yeah, okay, so that's a longer story. I lived in the Middle East for a couple years. My girlfriend is Lebanese, but that's not why I have the Noon. The Noon was part of the organization that I was working with. Refugees during the ISIS crisis. So it's something that I just use as a reminder right now. People ask me a lot about it though. Just a reminder of where I've been, and also my friends over there. Yeah. All right, so I'd like to see this candle get below this 278.25. And also, man, so Amazon looks like a bear flag right now. I don't want to trade too big right now. Okay, Zoom also looks like a bear flag. Might give me another entry right here, actually. We have some divergence. Kind of tough. I'm gonna take it short if it gets below here. 296. Oh, Netflix. That's good too. I should keep that one. Okay, Amazon. The bear flag is breaking down actually. Yeah, everything looks the same. That's true. That's why there's no like. trying to pull up AMD too. AMD looks the worst, I think, along with Nvidia. I really want to take this short again, but I'm in QQQ short, and I'm not trying to increase any exposure right now. Okay, so now I'm green on this trade. I was down 100, now I'm up about like 80. I hear you, Keith. That was me too. I'm let's see. I think I'm even on the week right now, to be honest. It hasn't been that good, but my losses have been small. That's key. Okay, so we got below this candle here, and we're still finding some buyers. Even it's so, yeah. You know, I want to have some sort of system that tells, or that I can put. I'm gonna 275 this week, and the volatility on it is crazy. It like will go up 10%, down 10%. UVXY has calmed down. We have another reversal candle right here. Crazy. Okay, there's a gap up in the shop chart right now, intraday. Not too often you see that. A gap from 957 to 959. Why? That's so odd. Okay, so we touched this 21 day. We're probably gonna have to touch up in here. 279 to 280, at which point I need the, what's it called, 279.57. Oh, you mean on the buy side? That's the spot right here. They're trying to create a lower or a higher. Okay, that's good to know. I mean, these three bars right here, that's a pretty, I mean, I would be really, really surprised if we got over this range right here. Oh, we just cracked your POC. We just cracked it. Are we gonna close the candle over it? We did close the candle over it. Dude, these puts are so volatile. Oh, I know. I'm chilling. I mean, like I said, if I'm basing it off this time frame with these wicks right here, then I'm not gonna sell until those wicks, until it changes. Especially on the indices. Oh, really? This gap up on the shop chart is confusing me. let's try to see what else is moving. Tick is trending lower all day today. Interesting. I'm just reading through my Twitter feed right now. Serious chill? Don't know what that is. This is like some type of... Oh, you know what I realized? Wait a minute. Oh my goodness, guys. My, Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Sorry. 1 second. Yo, that was supposed to be there a while ago. I can't believe y'all were watching a black screen. A gray screen. Oops. Yeah, I don't know how intraday gaps happen. It doesn't make sense to me either. I mean, I would assume it's the same way that overnight gaps. Interesting. Thanks for the call, Adam. Or Adon. How do you pronounce it? Is it a schwa A or a long A? This, you know, this thing right here, it could kind of fade at this level though. It's really hard to tell with this. Where do I see that shop gap? Man, these relentless. It's right here. You see that? It went from the candle closed at 9:57 and it opened at 9:58.75. Like, I almost never see a gap like that. I've seen it maybe twice on Amazon and it always gets filled. Like almost immediately gets filled. Yeah, I kind of like this music too. I don't normally listen to non-copyrighted music. UVXY is coming back down after its initial we're in a chop zone. Let's see if we can get a little low this time. Oops. People have been talking about TQQ a lot, and I realized that it's actually, I never looked at it. It's the leveraged ETF. Dude, leverage, it also has products. I might look into that more. Welcome everyone who's new or hasn't been here for a minute. I am currently in QQQpit. Nasdaq. It's not looking too hot for me, but also we're basically filling these continuation candles up here, so I have to be patient with it. To be honest, I might add one more right here because my put's minus 35%. These things are so volatile. They move like 10% in 2 ticks. I just have to look to see what's happening with the bigger names. Yeah, so Amazon's coming back into my resistance. Tesla's near the opening high of day resistance. Okay, I'm gonna add one. We'll see. And then I will, if we get back down in here below 279.22, I will take it off to reduce my cost basis. And on this one, I'm just gonna use the top of this candle right here, that candle right there, as my stop. It's kind of tough. I would like to see this candle bring all the way back down here, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Alright, come on. This is so tough. We're being kept up here, for sure. We just basically rejected at the 21 day. You would kind of expect that price action with how we corrected. On the upper end of the view app? That's what I'm guessing you mean. I don't know, like I feel like watching someone else trade, I mean, it could be, I guess it is interesting to see them lose money, you know, but some of these plays take so long to develop that, I mean, you could be here at 10:30 a.m. and then come back at 2 p.m. and I'm still in the same position watching the same thing. So that's kind of tough. You gotta get some popcorn or something. Or I'll put on like, I'll put on something in the background. Like a movie. We can watch a movie together. The Big Short. That'll get me too excited. What's up, David? Alright, so, oh, there we go. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to take off that extra that I added right there. Let's see if I can. Okay, I got filled. Okay, so I bought that extra one at, shoot, does anyone remember? I think it was 0.95. And I sold it for 1.10 to reduce my cost basis from 1.33 to 1.27. Something like that. I'm fine with that. Oh man, so crowd is kind of reversing here. There's a lot of names that are fading into the afternoon when there's less like in an hour. I'd be really curious to see where some of these names go. We're basically in a chop zone right now. Put on Wolf of Wall Street. You know, I actually watched that again recently. Tesla's putting in that Head and Shoulders right now. I might be able to go you know, we could, I mean, people always like seeing Head and Shoulders everywhere, but I mean, right here it is. You can use this as your stop. 392. To be honest, I don't like the entry here because it's literally caught in a range, but we saw one rejection. The worst trade that I made, that was last week, I think. That wasn't this week. Let's see if I can show it. Oh, but, I mean, okay. It was right here. Okay. We had super strong price action. I set my alert for this 9-day moving average on the hourly to buy the dip on a morning sell. I bought it like right here, 11:30. That was my, you see all these supply bars? Like, come on. How's it gonna push there? How's it not gonna bounce there? Legit just tanks all the way down to, look at that. It tanked all the way down past 1100. It was rough. That was the day of the crash, or not crash, but the pullback. Like, how does that happen? All these buyers right here just got smashed. Rough. Oh, Donkey Kong. The alert came up. Nice. Okay, it's breaking supply here. It's not breaking, it's testing up in here. This is a good candle combination too. Increasing volume. We get over 42.75 and this thing could get up to here, up in here. decent. Man, this QQQ is not cooperating right now. We put in another reversal candle. Alright, let's see if I can reduce something. I'm gonna have to reduce right here, because we put in this little. Alright, sold for 91. You were in the pen trade, yes, for me. Oh, me too. Did you hold it overnight? Did y'all hold it overnight? Did I call it out last night? Like, I don't think I put it on Twitter. That's unfortunate. Nice. Yeah, I actually had I had this week's, so they went from like 1.2 to 3. It was good. But I've been chopped up in this price action. It really depends what time frame you look at. Like this fake breakdown right here. It's interesting.
Rachel, we really just wanted to see how you was doing.
Thanks.
Yeah, chemotherapy really sucks. Right. What the hell, bro? Don't say it.
Interesting. Yeah, this recovery on, I mean, I feel like a lot of these names are, you know, it's actually not in the like CRM to be consolidating right here. Not bad. There were some sweeps in CRM yesterday.
We're on drugs. Oh, shit.
What else was interesting? The TSM weekly chart? Nope, that wasn't it. Come on. Like, look at that. That looks like something's gonna happen soon. I would expect this to happen sooner than later. It's just letting the moving averages catch up too. Like next week, it might be a good swing play. also like this name. Look at that wedge break. This one's interesting. It's really hard for me to trade this though because the options are not that liquid. Like they don't move that well. All right, once we get up in here, might have to reduce the cost basis again. And then sell on the pullback. Yeah, it's a nice weekly chart. The recovery. I also was looking at this weekly chart because this one actually we're having an inside week. I don't know, like I guess you would count this as an inside week too. It's like literally 1 cent off. It's 6 cents away from an inside week. This is what happened last time that happened. I missed my opportunity to reduce my cost basis again. Alright, so we basically retraced the gap, or the drop. You know, there's more continuation up in 281 that will probably fill, my guess. But we'll see. Every single one of these candles has been bought up. Are any of you in any trades currently? It's a two-way street here. No, I'm just playing. Yeah, look at this freaking candle being bought up. Oh, I like this beat too. Tesla 450. Oh baby, I know. It's possible. It's tough though. This gap right here sucks. XLF put. So I'm really curious what the delay is like on this like you guys can see the time right up here. Where does it say? So right now it's 11:48, 29, 30. Donkey Kong looks good here. I kind of want to get some longer dated ones. We're about to break this supply zone. Oh man. Why do I say Donkey Kong? Oh my god. Did any of y'all catch that? Keith got it. Oh my god. I feel like more people than me just say that too. It's not. That's pretty funny. DraftKings. The setup looks good, but I don't know how far it's gonna go. What's that, Gabe? Look at these candles being bought up. Wow. Yeah, they should have called it Donkey Kong. I gotta let this play out. These names are just retracing a very large drop that happened in 10 minutes. We want a webcam? Sorry, I trade naked actually. It helps get me in better contact with the earth when I'm grounded. I have it helps with the intuition. Get a hand cam so you can see my drink. Oh, that's kind of funny, actually. Alright, the question is... Wow, look at those sales that just came in on the time and sales. Did y'all just see that? That was a lot of selling that just came in right there. Do I ever run leaps? Yes. I have a Walmart leap right now, but it's for June 2021 and it's really far out of the money. It's like sometimes on the time and sales, it's people trying to get out of the way before another run up. Interesting. It's like a 190 leap or something like that, I think. I was in NIO leaps and I sold them for like 200% in like 2 days, I think. Someone else was in those with me. Someone and her. It's not the worst thing to what was your, how did they do? I feel like they probably would have done pretty well. Alright, y'all can see my P&L for the day. This is what it's at right now. I really messed up some of these trades. I'm bag holding NKLA on that research thing. My AMDs for next week. The Beyond one I got stopped out of really quickly. Zoom. Wow, that was a bad fill actually. I didn't get... Interesting. And Grog is messing with me. Yeah, the DraftKings setup looked nice. Wow, look at that. Are you joking me? Oh my goodness. I said it looked nice. It was bull flagging. That would have been a good one. What happened to the music? Dude, DraftKings is insano land right now. It's the thing is what's even more impressive is that it's going up against NASDAQ and SPY going down. Like, look at that. All right, look at that. The volume came in. Yeah, the setup was really good actually. I'm a fan. Look at that weekly break too. If we close up here, ooh. Oh, sorry, I just hit the mic. I hope that didn't hurt your ears. All right, let's see if we can bull flag up here now. Look at the NASDAQ, baby. Oh, why does it do that? Yo, I'm up now. See, I was down 30% on that put, and now I'm up 10%. Wild. So I think I might be wrong. Well, I'm not gonna say something too early actually. My next resistance for DraftKings is at the high, but yeah, you're right. It is the NFL. That's true. Smart. All right, we're back below this point of interest right here. 40. Yeah, that's. I have 78.9, but yeah, basically, it's just the it's 100% retrace or whatever. Yeah, that was last week's news. Kind of interesting, but okay, I might have to reduce here again because I'm up 10%. And I don't want to get caught in this area right here. I will add on a bounce. I will add it back. Okay, I got filled for 10%. That trade took way too long. I still have a runner. My runner that I added at 0.95 or whatever. You can't. I mean, I guess, but it just depends how long people are gonna watch for. Wow, that was a patience play right there. Patience. That was an interesting retrace. Retraced 3 targets up. Tough. Is anyone in a fantasy league? I just drafted my fantasy league last night with Eric. I guess my team is alright. I got the 4th pick in a 10-team league. Here till close. Let's go, baby. So there's 180. Okay, yeah, I gotta start focusing up here because gotta find the setups, and this play is going my way. AMD play is going my way. I want to see some other setups emerge here, ones that I've been looking for. I'm scanning my list on this side. You know, maybe I'll scan it on this one. I picked let's see. So, you know, in retrospect, I probably made a mistake with my first pick because I picked Alvin Kamara, but I realized we're not in a PPT league, so you know his value is a lot less in a non-PPT league. All right, yeah, look at the volume. Wow. All right, you said 281 puts. Wait, what? How long ago? You said there's a we're in a non PPR league. 281p. Really? I don't see that volume on here. I don't think we're looking at the same thing. I don't see that much volume on those puts. AMD is bear flagging again. Or it bear flagged at least and rejected. Same value area rejection. We're in a non-PPR league. But my receivers are insane. I have Julio Jones, Mike Evans, Amari Cooper, DK Metcalf, and my QB is Josh Allen. So I would really like to see this break below here, but to be honest, this has been so fakey. Yeah, I hope so too. And we don't know how he's going to be with Brady, but I also have Gronk. I picked him up in like the second to last round. Okay, so what's interesting here is if you look at this, okay, you see how the NASDAQ is ticking up here, but AMD is ticking down. It's good for me because I'm in puts, but it's also really interesting for the position that I'm in. I actually watch that very closely because it's a sign of further weakness in the name. Is that basketball? Basketball cards or baseball? I'm guessing you mean basketball. Or baseball. What music am I playing? Can someone scroll up and find the link? Or I guess I could... Man, I need a command function. Someone can... There you go. I've been collecting basketball cards since I was like 5 or 6, probably. I got some nice ones hidden in a box somewhere. Although I hear that the market is hot right now. Okay, so QQQ is turning back down. Really hard rejection right here. But we can't break this area that I was referring to back when I sold my puts earlier. This area right here. Choppy. How's DraftKings doing? As I call it, Donkey Kong. Ooh, you know what? Look at this. Wow, no one called this one out. Look at that. Touch the fib value area more or less. 61. I should have put an alert for that. That was dumb. All right, so the keys are going down. We're back below that area that I was hoping to get below. It's good. Damn, 210. You're really trying. Look at that. All right, so those QQQ puts that I opened up earlier are now, well, the one that I bought added is now up 60%, but the ones that I originally bought are up 10%. And AMD's going down. Yeah, SPY's coming for low a day. It bounced on my support. So like, let's say that I'm digging this music, guys. This is I got my own jazz band. All right, so look at this supply right here. Boom. Between the 340, 344 area. Really interesting. Okay, let's look at work because I said earlier, I didn't get an alert for it. But I said earlier that it was bear flagging. I mean, like, we can also set an alert for up here. So now I got a straddle alert signal. Also, this NVAX name has been in a downtrend since 158. Let's see if we can help. Help. Yeah, actually, I don't even like that line that much. It's not very informative to me. Wow, this stream is... Alright, I think we're gonna end the stream in an hour or so and then come back for closing last hour and a half. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Cause I mean, I don't want to have y'all sit through lunchtime. Come on now, that sounds kind of ridiculous. Nvidia is trending at the low of the day. It looks like it's gonna get down into the 500 area, like right here. One of these days, yeah, it's interesting. One of these days, someone will have to track my predictions and see how wrong I am. What are my positions? I am an AMD put for next week. I believe it is 75, and I'm in a QQQ 275 put for tomorrow. One of these days, I'm gonna find a. I also am bag holding NKLA. Kind of sad. Luckily, I only put like $100 into it, so I'm not too like. It's not a big deal, but still. No, I don't have 100 contracts. All right, Tesla chopping. I don't see anything interesting happening. I gotta look at the Twitters, see what's happening. All right, so there's some flow on QQQ puts. put sweeps October 2 and October 30, 275. Someone opened QCOM put sweeps. Gold call sweeps. I like the sound of that. Don't like the look of that. XLF, Baba, Dark Pool. Yeah, Disney was looking good earlier. Ah, shit. We touched in this area here, but the move is really thin right now. Like you can see how it's stalling out up here. And there goes Beyond. So I expect 150. I was holding calls here, and I got stopped out right here. Right below this 3-bar thing. That's how they do it. That is me being a sucker. That's why day trading is so hard, because things like that happen. Like if you're disciplined, you're gonna get stopped out too often, so you have to test out the different time frames, you know? But yep. Yeah, definitely trying to shake out people for sure. I mean, when it's non-directional like this though, it's so hard to trade. So what's interesting is that in the beginning of the day, the semiconductors were really strong. They were up, they were all up, and now they're all trending below their 200 moving averages. I like this name long, but it's really like, I think we could retrace up here, definitely. Yeah, it's non-directional, you're right. You are right, sir. I would guess that this is a very low volume day relative to the last few days. No, not quite. Yesterday was more low volume. Interesting. Oh man, I was talking about this in chat the other day. Look at this bull flag on the 30-minute chart. It was so nice, and it played out well. And now we are, let's see. Yeah, it's an interesting break right here. We're testing it. We're testing it. It's close. You would like to see some increasing volume on a break though. So, I mean, DraftKings still looks good here. I think it can get up here to 44.5 area. Not much happening, to be honest, y'all. Yeah, actually Workhorse looked good earlier. I think it's good that it's holding this level right here. Really good price action. If it closes above this high right here, we'll be really good. 24. I'm gonna set an alert right here. We could have some more consolidation right in here. See how it's okay. Netflix, come on, baby, show me below. Oh, here we go. All right, you know what? This is getting interesting here because it is really close to breaching this 50-day. And it really just depends on if the market will cooperate. I'm afraid that they're going to try to make it look like it's going to drop and then not drop it today. That's my fear. Because, I mean, the market has to get lower for sure. Or they're going to do that thing where they they stop out everyone here. I don't know. You can't fight ghosts in the closet though. So you gotta just do what you think is what you see, not what could possibly happen. Look at this. This is a bear flag. Like this is like a really sad lawn chair pattern, and you know, honestly, we could see pretty deep correction. You know, honestly, for this area right here, 470 right there, you see that right there? That 470 area looks pretty nice to me. So if we have, this is just a little, yeah, okay, this is just a little thing in risk and reward. If we look at next week's options, and we think that, okay, the first target's 45, second target is 470. You can try to price it based on, so like, I mean, these are really expensive. It's kind of ridiculous because 45, this is pricing in 475. Like, to get your money's worth, you would have to be getting 475 on that. Yeah, they're pretty expensive right now. You need to really confirm. The charts right now on many names are not looking good. I might have to add to my QQQ put soon. I still have AMD and QQQ. This Netflix chart, oh man, it's good. I mean, should I just take it and then pray that we break this low here? This is so tough because okay, so this bar right here, this is the bar that they're trying to protect. This bar is 491.88. It's close. I mean, if I was not in any other positions, I might do it, but I already have QQQ and AMD right now, which the risk reward on AMD is a lot better for me because the options are not crazily priced compared to what the delta is on the move. If we close, okay, so like let's think about what an ending close could look like that we could actually enter into. It's really, I mean, like closing below this would just be ideal. AMD is still weak. Nvidia is weak as well. Penn might be bull flagging based on where I saw the chart taking us last time. Nope, it's not. That is not either. We could see the flusher. It's tempting it, but like Amazon is trending below here. AMD trending below. Shop close. We're on the edge here. This is the edge. I feel it. I feel it coming. Oh, if I say I feel it, does that mean I gotta trade on the intuition? Oh, this is a bull flag or a bear flag right here. You see that? Ugh. All right. All right. All right. It's tough. Oh, we just got a bearish hot dog on NASDAQ. All right. We're jumping in. Let's take the 570s for next week. Play for a deeper move today. Can I get filled, please? I did it. Are you happy? We got a 3-bar setup on NASDAQ right now, and this one right here. 1, 2, 3, hot dog, Nvidia, SPY, NASDAQ looking to breach low. Let's see what my put is at. Turning away from Netflix for a second. I might sell my put here. Yep, I'm selling my... I'm not gonna play the game where we tempt fate. Because I entered other plays with higher delta, longer time frame. But this 3-bar setup is really good. It usually means that we're going lower. All right, let's see that flush. Now I'm rooting for you, Netflix. Yep, my Netflix alert just triggered. The 5-minute chart looks beautiful. All the time frames working on this one. The target is like right here, 480. It's tough. Oh, shop also below my mark. This is a lot of selling signals just popped up on my alerts, the ones that I had set when we were kicking around. I'm gonna reduce a couple AMD here because it's tough. I mean, like, I'm learning to take my gains today and the day before instead of being greedy. I mean, like if we flush, we flush. I'm still in Netflix. We got a nice 3-bar setup on these names. Netflix is really gonna try to defend this area though. Yes, you're welcome, Akash. I hope I pronounced your name right. It's tough. I mean, like Netflix, they're gonna try to defend this. That's part of the problem. That's why I'm reducing. They're gonna defend low of day. If we see, like, they're gonna, like, one test, they're gonna defend. Second test, they can't defend it anymore. So. You see how the beat kind of picked up when I yeah, so you see why I'm reducing here. It's because that this candle right here, they're gonna try to defend it pretty heavily. At the end of, like, it really depends. This is another reversal candle right here, where it opens below and then pushes above. But, you know, reversals candle can be negated or whatever. I reduced my position, so I'm not worrying right now at all. All right, I gotta throw a tweet out. What is it? 375? No, 475.
I made one mistake, not a big one too. Said I'm sorry 1,000 times to you. We used to talk a lot and stay up late. Now we never talk. Doesn't feel so great.
Yeah, a lot of the people that I follow on Twitter are talking about how there's no flow today. It's true. DraftKings was the only good name to trade today, and I didn't catch it. Now it's kind of trending below. It needs to close above this supply zone. If we don't close above the supply zone, then we'll get another wick, very similar to what we have up in here. You see how we have a wick up in here? That's what I'm worried about with DraftKings. It's still a good looking chart, but just in terms of where the momentum is, you know? Some people were calling out FedEx and UPS, or what is it, FedEx and Oh, they had their earnings, and it looks like might have to get a. Oh, it's coming up 9:15. Okay, we got some time. The Netflix, but I mean, it could pay. We don't know. Right into the supply zone. Interesting. Zoom is setting up again. Excuse me, I'm yawning. Nice bounce, DraftKings. I'm tempted. I also really need to So where are if you're listening, where are all of you watching from? Are you at work right now? That'd be kind of funny. If you're at work. This is my work. If you're from California, shout out. Working from home, that's why we can all do this. That's my guess. Home. All right, our positions are looking decent right now. Work from home, yeah, that's the only reason we can really do any of this. Right. LA born, left Portland for Tucson. Nice. I went to school in Oregon. DraftKings kind of set up again, but I think I'm late to the party and I don't really feel like joining. What's up, Casey? Welcome. Casey's a longtime follower. Yeah, DraftKings set up again. No, I went to the Quaker school, Keith. Look at that, DraftKings. It's set up. I can't get in though. Sometimes you just gotta watch. This thing is about to get up in that 44.50 area. It's gonna test the high, man. That candle, you see that? Getting over this right here. I want it, but nice. Every time I see that, I say Donkey Kong in my head. It's kind of annoying. All right, so they're trying to defend this low that I pointed out earlier. That's why I reduced right here, which I'm okay with. Like, Is it gonna dump? I have no idea, dude. I don't know what the earnings are. If I knew what the earnings are, I'd be playing them. But that's kind of interesting. You know, anytime we are not running into earnings, not a good sign, really, to be honest. Not the best sign, I mean. The fact that we're dumping on here. All right, so we set up a bear flag in the NASDAQ. So, I mean, you just never know what's gonna happen. Like, that's why I reduce here. And if it breaks the low, then you can add. But you don't want to be adding. You don't want to be get caught with your pants down when if it reverses. Look at that. Alright, so this is my target right here. That's my target. 275.58. Tank, baby, tank. Sorry for anyone who's long right now. Some nice selling. We just need to see some follow through instead of this like wimpy shit. Oh, there's some follow through. Netflix low day. It's testing in that look at that. Beautiful. We are now up 9%. Thank you, friends, for following along. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you want the alert and set the alert notification for when I go live. I'm gonna try to do this once a week, maybe more if it gets more popular, but I need to concentrate as well. Gonna try to put a video once a week as well. If you have any video things you would like to see in a video, let me know. Be happy to see what I could do. Yeah, we need some follow through here. All right, so the question is, like, this bear flag breaks right here, which it's fallen. Look at that. The target is 480. I mean, that's a deep target. But also we could get a wick in the 30-minute chart. We could get a like this type of thing. You see this right here? That's why, like, again, no 2020. We're getting a reversal-ish signal in, like, Nasdaq's trying to hold right here, but it's not going to hold. I don't think it's going to hold. All right, well, we're back up to 15. I'm gonna hold this Netflix thing, but again, we'd like to see a little bit of more of a flush than we're getting right now. Is XLF tanking? You know, if all the indices start participating and volatility goes up, that's a sign. Run. All right, so volatility is up. Let's look at the sectors really fast. All right. I'm gonna let y'all look at this Netflix chart while I be right back. Alright, we're back. Had to use the bathroom. Man. Alright, shop looks dirty right here. A lot of names look dirty. Pee bottle? Yeah, sorry. Next time. Amazon also looks dirty. Alright, if we get a reversal candle on... I don't want to... See, the thing is, there's a lot of good... When the market goes down, a lot of short setups start to develop. But it's all about your exposure. Like, where does your exposure... I don't like this song. Damn. Next, please. This setup right here. I mean, yeah, it doesn't look great. I mean, sometimes it's not that beneficial to be just watching the chart all day. Sometimes you just gotta set it and forget it. But in this market, if you set and forget, you could get screwed though. The ticks on Shop's chart is so confusing sometimes. Like you'll have some bars where we don't move anywhere, and then other bars are like this one where it's like 10 points. Kind of like Amazon. Alright, so we set a lower low in QQQ. And we also, but in some other names we're not setting lower low. So like AMD, not a lower low. Netflix, lower low. Shop, not a lower low yet. Amazon was a lower low. Oh, this is some, I think this is like some Chinese jazz. Alright, so Shop is, I mean, okay, I've been looking at Shop short for a while now, but my risk tolerance right now is pretty low because just because of it's Thursday and I'm green today. I know people will tell you can't be trading your profit and loss column. You just got to trade whatever setups you see. But I'm already enough leverage to the short side for what I enjoy. So I don't like that Walmart is not doing what I want it to be doing. Alright, Nasdaq's going for it. And by it I mean that level is interesting. It's close. I'm checking the how's the stream quality right now? Perfect. I like to hear that. So I think, thanks y'all. I think y'all have maybe like a 10, 15 second delay. I am, how old am I? I'm 24. I kind of forgot for a second. Ooh, check out Netflix. Check out Netflix. Check out Netflix. Shh. Don't disturb it. Don't disturb it. Let it do its thing. Damn it, dude. Come on. Yeah, I mean, sometimes they do these stupid candles where all right, so I'm up 13%, 14% on this put right now, but I am almost positive that we're bear flagging on the NASDAQ right now on the 2-minute chart. So I think we're okay. I think we're okay. Should I do some like ASMR type shit? I don't think Amazon's gonna break 3260. If we do, like, we're in trouble. But 3260 was pretty strong support from back in the day. Look at that. I got my line right there just for you. Man, so on this retrace, I really wanted to short Amazon. I was thinking about my risk tolerance, whatever. But remember what I said about dropping through support, back testing, and then you catch a short? Like, that's the play right there. Like this 3320, I had my line set up really well. I wonder what this line is from. I actually don't know. Oh, it's from, okay, I see. It's from right there. You can see right there. Sorry, I gotta make this more so you can see it. Okay, there you go. Boom. This is why I have so many lines on my chart. Nice. FedEx. I don't play earnings, so I feel like every time I play earnings, I lose money. Just being honest. So I don't play them. I don't think it's a good. All right, so I guess my thing with playing earnings is that I like trading when I have some type of edge, whether my edge is like technical analysis, momentum, playing my levels. When it's earnings, like, there's no edge. Everyone's in the same boat unless you're insider trading, and if you are, let me know. But I would prefer to trade with an edge instead of if I want to bet, I'll go to a casino, play some poker. Yeah, I'll play earnings afterward. There's some smart ways you can play earnings. I mean, you can do some credit spreads, debit spreads, iron condors, etc. I don't do much of those though. So all right, so NASDAQ did not. I was wrong about this. Maybe I'm not wrong, but we can still test right in here and still get to sell. We'll see. I'm 24. I said that. But I can put it in my bio if it's helpful. How old do I sound? How old do I sound? I'm curious. Let's check what the wire says. See, this is what I'm talking about. And I sound 24-ish. That's nice. That's good, I guess. So this guy right here. See, he said the same thing I was saying. Or, I mean, he's saying the opposite of what I was saying. I was saying I like focusing on. I mean, I do focus on it. Maybe a little bit too much for my own good. Because I miss out on opportunities. Yeah, it's setting up here. Definitely. I mean, it looks really good right now. I'm tempted. But I didn't take it earlier. Oh, man. Yeah, it's so close. You see, we stopped right at 43.72. Look at that. Oh, this beat is sick. Man, I think we disturbed. What's Up Humble Learner on YouTube. We disturbed Netflix. Yeah, it is struggling to get over that level. That one, it's a really odd. All right, so if we get over this level long, I'm gonna hop in. Yep, there we go. We just got it. Okay, my thing just is a little slow right now. I wanna play the I haven't hopped in yet. I'm trying to figure out which contract I want. Let's go with the closer ones then. It's close. I mean, it could just come right back down right here, especially if the market doesn't cooperate. It's not an auspicious start when it's already down 5%, 10% from when I bought it. I bought really small on this one. Alright, I might add one more here. We'll see. Alright, I'm gonna add one more here, I think. I'm watching level 2. Oh, it didn't work. Come on, please. Okay, I got filled. I'm watching level 2 data on it. Like right here, the time in sales. We should see new buyers come in now that we're over that area. 43.72 or 78. This is the mark right here. If you see my cursor, it's like right there. They're gonna fight over it for a second, and then we'll see if we can get that push up into the 43.90 area. Fight. Yeah, I know, we're looking at it. Come on, 43.90. Show me the money. There it is. It's close. Oh, we got it. Look at that. On the money, baby. 23K seller at 44. Yeah. All right. I think, you know, I mean, now that we've, what is this bar right here? Yeah, it's close. I was thinking about selling one right there, but I didn't. I don't really like doing plays like this just because the risk to reward is like so low. But I mean the chart looks good, so I'll trade it. Why not? Why not? And we should get one more hourly bar up as well, in my opinion. Let's see if we. There's not many similar setups from earlier. Maybe this one, like this one, kind of similar. Nice. As my coach would say, let the play develop, Josh. Don't bail out. All right, 43K seller. Let's see what you got. All right, this is it. I feel it. It's good that they're reducing. I see a seller at 44.55 on level 2. Okay, so the keys are rolling over, potentially. Not that it matters too much with a strong name like this, but that's something I watch out for. That's the weakness. This is market weakness right here. This is why it's struggling. Thanks, man. It's supposed to relax you. Come on, baby. I can hear in this music the can opener sound. Right there. Did you hear it? Netflix. Yeah, homie. This chop is insane for anyone who's trading Oh, okay. A little bit of action. Yeah, that's what it sounds like, right? That's actually, you know, if you can hear it, that's actually me snapping in the background. I got a Hawaiian shirt on too. Oh man, I don't know about this play anymore, guys. I mean, it's still above, it's still bull flagging, but I think, I mean, it looks fine as long as it's above this area right here. But Netflix, on the other hand, man, what is okay, let's check on some of the names that I'm interested in. Interesting. Okay, so Wayfair was up huge. It's still up huge, and it's now on its 200-day moving average. Interesting. Usually it bounces off of that. Penn has been consolidating at this level for a very long time. That's not the chart I wanted to see. Cup and handle, baby. Let's set an alert for right here. If it breaks 65, it'll tell me. If we form an inside bar right here on the 30-minute, I mean, we got a while to go. We got like, what, 20 more minutes left, but that would be amazing. I don't think it's gonna happen. When am I gonna stream every day? When I can make a living off it. Oh, shop is breaking down. Man, I really wanted to get in that. I'm just having fun right now. I don't have any plans. Make watch lists every day. You mean like for what? I'm pretty sure I do. I post them on Twitter. If you build it, they'll come. All right, Keith. I'll only if you're here. What am I holding? Shop is kind of not doing. It's doing great. Look at that. Increasing selling. Doesn't look that great. Let's see what Amazon's doing at the same time frame. Some weakness in the name. I like it. Look at that. That looks like a name that's about to break. Come on. Tell me it doesn't look like it's about to break. 1, 2, 3. It's close. Should I take a 900 lotto? Let's see what it costs. Would cost me. 150? That's not too bad. I like the idea of it, but I probably would not like it tomorrow. That'd be my guess. But I mean, the setup is there. Thanks, Casey. I appreciate it. This weakness in shop is kind of confusing me, I guess. Is the right word? Oh man, should I throw the lotto out there? It's kind of interesting as a lotto. I think you can wait till the end of the day though. I'm not sure it's gonna break. Aha! I see you. Hey. Dude, this song is fire too. Who's coming? This is Zen. Alright guys, this is Zen Japanese Lo-Fi Chill Hop Mini Mix. I'm here for it. DraftKings high day. DraftKings high day. Attention. Shop has another gap on the intraday chart. Alright, come on, give me 44.50. In the money, baby. Alright, so we gotta get by the seller, but I think 44.50 is good bet. Bull flag broke. Check the 3 bar. We just need to get over. Oh, the indices are not cooperating. The overall trend looks great. We just need a little bit more help, please. Yeah, there's some sellers stacking up. I see more sellers than buyers on the level 2. I think part of it is market weakness as well. It's kind of interesting. Oh, there's some buyers, you see them coming in on the 80 bid. There we go. Nice. I'm still in Netflix. I tried to trim at 15%. I got it. Dems block the GOP bill. It doesn't look like the market cares that much. I feel like everyone already knows that. All right, so I don't like this little rejection candle at 44, but we still are constructive on it. I'm still in Netflix. Nothing has changed. Nothing matters. I don't like this wick right here. Not a good sign. I reduced one. But it's still okay. I mean, this is the 5-minute chart. It's kind of what I'm worried about right here. We just need some more buyers. I might take a Q. Nah, don't need to do that. I reduced my size. I reduced my size because we could be setting up some some lawn chair patterns in the indices right now, and I mean SPY looks okay. SPY looks fine. It's mainly the tech names that I'm watching. I only have a really small size now. Check out this shop chart though. Come on, baby. All right, let's see where I can put this thing. Right here. It's tough. Pen setting up. Pen setting up here. Okay. All right, let's try this out. Let's try next week's actually, because I don't want to trade this week's. It needs to close over this, and we'll be setting up that cup and handle breakout. I might go for the 65s. All right, I like it. Let's go for the 70s. I took pen 70s. Looking for the cup and handle breakout over 66. The problem is the volume is so thin right now. That I don't know if we can actually sustain any type of move up. Nope. I don't think it's working. No sustaining the move. I tried. I actually, you know, I probably shouldn't be taking that trade right now because I lost 1%. Maybe less, actually. It probably can go up still, but I'm not trying to trade that. I'm going to exit out of this as well. I made $10 on that. Alright, I'm just gonna let my position sway out because it's lunchtime. I'm up 1,300 today. I'm okay with that. My daily goal is 1,000. So, all right, y'all. I will probably be back at closing, but I'm gonna go eat some lunch. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed the stream. Thanks for joining. I really enjoyed having y'all hang out while I traded on the good moves and the bad moves. Peace, y'all.